Ever felt trapped in a subscription you no longer need? Like a digital hotel room you can't check out of? Maybe you signed up for SaleHoo, excited to dive into the world of dropshipping or wholesale, but things changed. Life happened, business strategies shifted, or perhaps you found a better fit elsewhere. Whatever the reason, you're here because you want to know, how do you cancel your SaleHoo membership? You're not alone. In today's subscription-heavy world, navigating cancellations can feel like trying to decipher an ancient scroll. Companies often bury cancellation processes under layers of FAQs and help pages, making it intentionally difficult to leave. But fear not, because today, we're going to break down the SaleHoo cancellation process step by step, ensuring you can reclaim control and move forward without any lingering financial obligations. Let's rewind a bit. You probably signed up for SaleHoo because you were drawn to the promise of finding reliable suppliers and profitable products. Maybe you were intrigued by their directory of verified wholesalers and dropshippers, or perhaps you were excited about the market research tools they offered. SaleHoo, at its core, aims to simplify the sourcing process, connecting entrepreneurs with legitimate suppliers and providing the resources needed to launch and grow an online business. But as with any platform, it might not be the right fit for everyone. Maybe your business model evolved, and you no longer need the supplier directory. Perhaps you found alternative sourcing methods that better suit your needs. Or maybe the monthly or annual fees no longer align with your current budget. Whatever the reason, it's perfectly valid to want to cancel your membership. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the cancellation process, let's address some common concerns. Many people worry about hidden fees or complicated procedures when canceling subscriptions. They fear being trapped in a cycle of recurring charges or facing resistance from customer support. While SaleHoo generally has a reputation for being transparent, it's always wise to be informed and prepared. So, how do you actually cancel your SaleHoo membership? The process is relatively straightforward, but it's crucial to follow the steps carefully to ensure a smooth cancellation. Here's a comprehensive guide. Step 1. Access your account settings. The first step is to log in to your SaleHoo account. Once you're logged in, look for your account settings. This is typically found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select My Account or a similar option. Step 2. Navigate to the subscription or billing section. Within your account settings, you'll need to find the section related to your subscription or billing. The exact wording may vary, but it's usually labeled subscription, billing, membership, or something similar. Click on this section to view your current membership details. Step 3. Locate the cancellation option. Once you're in the subscription or billing section, look for the option to cancel your membership. This might be labeled Cancel Subscription, Cancel Membership, or something similar. It's often located at the bottom of the page or within a drop-down menu. Step 4. Follow the cancellation prompts. After clicking the cancellation option, you'll likely be presented with a series of prompts or questions. SaleHoo might ask you to provide a reason for canceling or offer you a discount or alternative plan to retain your membership. Be honest in your response and carefully review any offers presented. Step 5. Confirm your cancellation. Once you've completed the prompts, you'll need to confirm your cancellation. This is a crucial step, as it finalizes the process and ensures that your membership is terminated. Look for a confirmation button or link and click it. You should receive a confirmation message on the screen and, ideally, an email confirming your cancellation. Step 6. Verify your cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, it's essential to verify that your membership has been successfully terminated. Check your email for a cancellation confirmation from SaleHoo. This email should clearly state that your membership has been canceled and that you will no longer be charged. Step 7. Check your payment method. Finally, it's a good idea to check your payment method, credit card, PayPal, etc., to ensure that no further charges are being processed. This will provide you with peace of mind and prevent any unexpected fees. Now, let's address some potential hurdles you might encounter during the cancellation process. What if I can't find the cancellation option? If you're having trouble locating the cancellation option, it's possible that the interface has changed or that you're looking in the wrong section. Double-check the account settings and subscription/billing sections. If you still can't find it, contact SaleHoo customer support for assistance. What if SaleHoo offers me a discount or alternative plan? SaleHoo might offer you a discount or alternative plan to retain your membership. Carefully consider these offers before making a decision. If the offer aligns with your needs and budget, it might be worth considering. However, if you're determined to cancel, politely decline the offer and proceed with the cancellation. What if I'm charged after canceling? If you're charged after canceling your membership, contact SaleHoo customer support immediately. Provide them with your cancellation confirmation and any relevant information. They should be able to resolve the issue and issue a refund if necessary.